Hi everyone, today's recipe will be chicken wings, fried chicken wings in the air fryer with no deep frying oil, no mess, very crispy, easy to make in few minutes. Stay tuned with me to see the steps. We will need some chicken wings. These ones I cleaned them, cut them in half. Spices is optional, whatever you like. I will use salt, black pepper, garlic, ginger, some curry powder, olive oil, and some cayenne pepper or chili powder, whatever you like to make it spicy, if you like it spicy. I add my salt to taste, some black pepper, not a lot, a small teaspoon of garlic powder if you like garlic, half teaspoon of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Olive oil, I coat it with olive oil to don't stick and brown from both sides. We mix everything together until all the chicken is coated with all the spices and the oil. Also, I added some garlic chili paste. You can add chili powder, cayenne pepper, sriracha sauce, anything you like to make it spicy. Then we will cover it with plastic, leave it marinate for a few hours of overnight for best results. Now my chicken marinate for a few hours. I will take the basket of my air fryer and start putting all my chicken wings right there. I will not spray it with no oil because I put the oil already with the wings when I was adding the spices. If you didn't add no oil, you need to spray it with the oil spray. Now time to cook the chicken wings. I put the basket back into the air fryer. Now it's easy to use. You adjust the temperature. For me, I will use 400. Also, you keep moving until you find the kind of meat that you would like to cook is chicken. Then you adjust the minutes too. I choose 20 minutes, then press start. After 20 minutes, that's the results. The chicken is already crispy, cooked and crispy from the top. Now I will turn it over to the other side to brown and get more crispy. The chicken is done already. I will add only 10 minutes to brown and get crispier. And that's the results after 30 minutes of cooking. You can even cook it for 25 minutes. If you want it very crispy, 30 minutes. But you can do 25 minutes too. You see, it's very crispy. Fried chicken without deep frying oil. That was today's recipe, fried chicken wings in the air fryer. It's very crispy. You will love the chicken wings in the air fryer. It's very amazing. It's no mess. It cooks quick in no time, last minutes. Dinner is ready. Add some salad or whatever side dish you like, and dinner in the table. Thank you for watching. See you next time with more recipes, and enjoy.